Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can log in, you can use WhatsApp on your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Shopify on your device, and then you have to log into using your account. You have to log into your Shopify store, and from there you have to let me show you this option. You have to check this site. You can check this link dash.elfsite.com. This is 100% safe and free. As you can see, this is saying that WhatsApp chat, you can upgrade it if you wish to. Also, you can explore all apps from here very easily. So now let's go to my apps. Now let's say you want to install it for your Shopify store. You just have to tap onto install, and then you have to tap onto Shopify. Now you have to enter your Shopify store's address. Like you can see this, you have to go to your Shopify dashboard, then you have to tap onto sales channels. After tapping onto, you have to tap onto online store. You have to search for online store. Then you can see this themes option right here. You have to tap onto themes, then you have to tap onto customize. After clicking onto customize, you can customize it very easily. You have to tap onto add section option at this here. You at the left corner, you can see this section options. After tapping onto section options, you have to tap onto custom liquid, and from there you have to search for save, and then you have to search for this site elfsite.com, and then you have to enter your Shopify, your store's access to this site. And that's it. This is how you can do it. And if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to next video.